Good morning everyone, welcome back to Sue's Cooking and Outdoors. Today I will be doing peanut butter cookies. I will get started. I have my notes close by because I do not know the recipe by heart. So it takes 2 cups of flour, two teaspoons of baking soda, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Mix this up. I will need 1 cup of margarine, it's about a cup. One cup of sugar, ¾ cup of brown sugar, as you can see, 3/4 cup at the back of my cup. Mix this one together. I add 2 eggs. One cup of peanut butter. That's about a cup. Mix this all up together. I would eat these when I was younger. My mom would make them for the family. So once in a while, I do them. I still got a bit of brown sugar lumps in there, but they'll melt in the oven. Now I gotta add my dry ingredients into this, right here. And I do it gradually. It's all mixed up. It's a bit hard, it's normal. I put my oven to 350 degrees. Pan with parchment paper. And I scooped them onto my pan. Now I got them here. I got a bit of flour on a small plate, fork. I dip it in here and I will just flatten them out a bit. This is what it looked like. Now in the oven they go. I put my timer to 12 minutes. We'll be back. Thank you. "12 seconds left on my timer. It took me 12 minutes. It's a soft cookie. But if you like them a bit harder, you can leave them in until 15 minutes. I will be back to taste them. Now I am at my favorite part of the video, the taste test. The 12 minutes of cooking, it gives a soft cookie inside. The back, not too bad. Nice peanut butter tasting cookie. So, I'd like to thank you very much for watching my video. And if you like it, please subscribe to keep updated with my new stuff. Thank you again. And bon appétit! Bye!